Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram verification code not received. So if you want received a verification code from the Instagram, you can follow these steps. Open your settings and go to the apps and the notification. Once you will open it, now go to the Instagram mobile application from here and go to the permissions. And here you have to allow all of these options like camera, contacts, location, microphone, storage, all of these, and phone, and go back and also go to the storage and the cache and clear your storage. Or still if you don't get verification code after follow this step, you have to wait for 3 to 4 days. Snapchat will send you verification code in 2 to 3 days. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.